Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, selamat siang. Sekarang saya ada di Tehran Book Garden. Udah beberapa kali syuting sama di sini, cuman mungkin belum sepenuhnya ya. Tempat yang bagus dan oke untuk keluarga, karena ada restorannya, ada bukunya, ada permainan anak-anak. Jadi boleh dicoba bagi Anda yang ada di Tehran. Kita saksikan di belakangnya.
Tehran Book Garden located at Abbas Abbad Hill area of Tehran. It is sight to behold. Designed by Iranian architect, completed in late 2017. It is divided into 4 section or block. First block, named Baharistan, at the northern part, are dedicated for children. Second block connect between first block and third block is a 60-meter corridor with 2 projectors to the wall on either side, creates an attractive and dreamful atmosphere. Third block is the art center of Book Garden with movie theater and theater hall both at ground and the roof. The last block is named Savestan, consist bookstore and cultural product for adult.
Nongkrong, kita ikut nongkrong, banyak main kita nongkrong. Jadi kita ngopi sambil nungguin anak main. Kuku.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mami.
Situated at the courtyard of the Book Garden, there are plenty food trucks that serves coffee, pasta, burger or Turkish cuisine. At this area, you can let your children to play it outdoor while you can have coffee and food together. Tehran Book Garden is not an old palace, it's a modern glass and concrete building with a lot of paintings and fancy art. The surrounding park is magnificent and cafes help you to spend a long afternoon.
Sore winter dengan matahari menjelang apa nih? Menjelang sunset. Udah jam-jam sekarang jam berapa sih? Oh, jam 4, sudah jam 4. Biasanya jam 6 udah turun sih kalau pas winter kayak gini. Nah, ini sih istri saya lagi main Instagram biasanya kayak gini. Datang Betura katanya. Kalau anak saya lagi main yang sana. Tapi takut kalau ada orang Iran. Hai Anya. Hai Anya. Hai.
Strolling around throughout the walking pad will lead you to Honor Garden and Honor Lake. Honor means art. The lake itself is an artificial lake inside the complex of Tehran Book Garden. Hona Lake is the second artificial lake after Chitgar Lake at the west of Tehran. Sitting in a side of the lake creates a wonderful feeling while enjoying the sound of the water, birds, and wave. It is really peaceful. The lake marked as completion of the second phase of Tehran's largest art project at the heart of the city. I hope you are enjoying watching this video and able to entertain you at home or wherever you are right now. Please stay safe and healthy during this pandemic situation. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment. Looking forward to see you again on the other episode of UDK. Thank you so much.